attending Ignites Fest, which is like a grand finale party of our Humber students. So this is like Humber College's grand finale Humber party for the semester end, which I have seen all about on their Instagram, which people have hyped a lot, and even I have hyped that to my friends. Saying that they have 40 claw machines, a DJ, dance floor, they have a makeup booth, barber, free food, arcade games, a lot of gifts, and a lot of paint and sip activities, and a lot of opportunity to make new friends. So something I like doing. So I'm here, and on the way I found her. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Khushvi.
Hi Khushvi. So we met in a bus where she was just looking at me and smiling, and I was like, "You're going to hype her." Okay, so she saw the Ignite sticker, and I have Samrat with me as well. Hello. So are you excited for this event?
Much. Oh, it's already full.
Oh, it's already full. Let's show it to the world. She went last year as well, right, Khushvi?
Yeah. It was good.
It was good?
Very good.
Oh. Wow, this is the venue, Universal Event Space, and this is the queue to get in. So after this hefty bag check, we are finally inside the venue, which looks good. And the bag check had compulsory no liquids in it, so I had to like empty my entire water bottle out.
And now your ticket. Tap record करने दो.
Hi, how are you? Good. Okay, so this is put that on and whatever colors, famous colors. So this is what you're gonna use for food. Around the corner is a kiosk booth. They're gonna hole punch this, and then they're gonna give you a ticket for the different food stations. Whatever you order there is what you have to get. So just make sure that you know what you want. They're gonna hole punch this and give you a ticket. Any questions? Okay. So if you have any questions, just go ahead. Okay, just put that lanyard on.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
So let's see all the food stalls which they have. Okay, we are very excited to eat because they have a lot of good options. We have this samosari which has these stuff in it. Then they have mac and cheese, which is my favorite. Oh, for the makeup and stuff, they have Coke and stuff, drinks station. This is my favorite station, which is a chip bag tacos. Wow. Nice. And then they have poutine gravy station. Then we have this Korean corn hot dog station and churro station. What do you guys want to eat today?
Dessert.
What do you guys want to eat today?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, I can have one of your thing. Okay, I'll have one chip bag taco for now. And can I come back again for the
Is that just it for now?
Yeah.
Gonna take all four of the food.
But which ones though? Like there's you got two options.
Oh
for like, the main.
yeah.
So which one do you
So
prefer?
for the main, of course, the chip bag taco.
Okay, perfect.
For the snack, I'll go for poutine.
Yeah.
Or wait, mac and cheese, mac and
No
cheese.
worries. Hold on, so there's your Mac.
And then bite, there's only samosa for bite.
Yes.
So let's go for that. And for the sweet, I'll take the sundae.
Sunday. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, because then you could put all your toppings
Yeah.
down on
So
the end.
that's the card. Yeah.
I'll take the other thing.
Yeah, no problem.
So it'll be like a smarter way to not
Yeah.
stand in the long queues
Just
later.
work hard.
Yeah.
You're better off waiting for food. No, you.
Yo, so what I did is I took all the 4 food coupons at once because there is literally no queue behind me. So after a while, I think there would be a long queue for food, and I don't want to just wait and queue for coupons, right? So now I can keep it with me, have food whenever I want to. I get 4 options to eat from, and I'm so excited to eat that chip bag taco, by the way. But I'm gonna play and get hungry first, and then eat good food. Cheers. फिर भी यार 4 चीज़ इज टू मच यार.
इनमें से क्या लोगे?
चिप बैग टाको का लिया मैंने.
इसका ही लिया मैंने।
इसमें भी मैं लूँगी.
क्या होता है?
ये सब में चिकन विकन है क्या भाई?
तो वो नहीं बोल मतलब
और मीटलेस.
और भी
So I'll take the salsa mash is good one, right? Or just see heat wave is also nice. It has pineapple in it and guac wala hai na, tomato guac and cheese. That'd be more nice.
जानवर हो जाएंगे.
And I am finally inside and I'm gonna show you around. It's beautiful actually. Oh wait. Okay, what should I grab for a
Four
picture?
photos and it's a really quick turnover, okay? So think about 4 poses.
So I'm gonna select 4 of the items and the pictures are gonna be super quick, so I have to select like fast. I'm gonna take one white, one black. I'll make up to this with the white one. I'll be made with the black one. 4 poses. That's really quick.
Yep.
Can I get a breather?
Hardly.
I'm gonna take a crown. And one would be money, money, money. Party item.
Okay. Are you going in the photo? Cautious. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Perfect. Now you switch. Now quickly. You got 5 seconds. Ready, ready. It's telling you right here. Perfect. Switch. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Perfect. Same thing. Hold it, hold it, hold it. You got. Perfect.
I'm so excited to see how they turned because that was very quick what I had to do.
You can, like, I'll print it.
Uh-huh.
By the end of the night. Okay, we are just getting started.
You can text it to yourself.
Wow, that's perfect.
I don't even have a tattoo, so I need to get one. I need to get one.
I got this at Ignite from her. Hey.
Oh, they're making more and more.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Okay, one second. So we are here at Custom Design Prints ke line mein and I met 2 beautiful women out here and I saw she has a Doraemon. You won this? How are you feeling?
Good, so much excited.
This was your like checklist for this thing today? Yeah. Can you show me your teddy bear? इससे क्या हो रहा है? Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, so I have to choose one like
Yeah, awesome. Let's do
so
it.
it's gonna
Do it real quick. So right now, I'm inside. This is the Tattoo Inspired
so 12.
spot.
You want me to
We're getting our
Oh,
first tattoo, so
perfect.
I'm gonna talk to you guys soon.
Number 12. Winner t-shirt. Winner t-shirt.
You're gonna go to Michelle. She's gonna help you. You get to choose any of the
Aha! Oh wow, that's perfect. Wow. And I have this with me.
Alright, we got my first tattoo.
Should I t-shirt? It was such a hard decision to select which design I wanted for my t-shirt. Everything was so confusing. So I had 2 decisions. Like either I go for Too Hot to Handle in black, or either I go for Good Vibes in white. And after that, selecting the size, like I just thought that L would be a little big for me, but I think L should be fine. And she's right now making my design right there. Yo, the finally t-shirt is ready. That looks perfect. Thank you. Finally, add something which I love, my plushies. So excited for this one. I love plushies and I was here for plushies. Yo, so after winning 2 plushies, this is the Minion one I won, which I wanted to, and this is the other one which I won, and I'm here for the 3rd round of it.
For this round, you only get to win one plushie. Okay? Our timer is gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go! Please make it faster.
I want
Which one would you like? Half? You can check the condiments over there.
I checked Tex-Mex stacker.
Tex-Mex check.
Yeah.
Then without chicken.
Without chicken.
No
Yeah,
chicken.
yeah, yeah. Very important.
Tex-Mex check. I put the tomato.
Yeah.
Do you want any other condiments?
Okay. So you don't want any meat.
Yeah. No.
Do you want any sauce?
Oh, whatever feels good to you. No specialty. Mayo. Love mayo.
Do you want any other condiments?
Yeah, I'll have onion. I'll have cheese. Is that cheese? I'll have the spring onions. Is this coriander?
Yeah.
Yes. I'll have a little bit of. Okay. Yeah. And I'll have the mayo and the other sauces, cream. If you can add a little guac if possible.
Where's buffalo? Very hot.
Little. That's it. I think so. Okay, that's it.
Mayo and this everything like this. Cheese and
Finally trying the viral chip back taco. This is how it looks. A lot of veggies, creams, and it has chips inside. This is Tostitos and this is Doritos. I'm pretty excited to taste this for the first time. It's like chips and a lot of veggies and a lot of cheese. It's like a viral chip back taco. Taking the first bite. Oh yeah, let's see. Wow, amazing. So cheesy, so creamy, full of mayo and veggie. Wow. Done. Go to make tacos now. Hello. Hello. Hi, how are you doing? Okay. Oh my god, I have to choose. I'll choose you. So we chose this design right here and I'm so excited to put it on my wrist.
Yes. Let's go.
Wow.
Amazing.
That's it? Perfect.
Let me just spray it one more time. So it'll stay for like 3 days up to a week, right? If you scrub it hard in the shower, it'll go away.
Oh.
So just put this little soap lightly, yeah?
Come on, Okay, so now I'm done checking the first floor and we're checking the second floor now. So upstairs is the makeup studio of our work, and we have to check what else we have. Yo, I'm excited for this paint session. They have like the art boards just right in place, and we made it right on time. Otherwise, we would have lost it. We would have lost it. Okay, I'm just gonna finish painting.
Oh my God, time is up, everybody, brushes down! Brushes down, give yourself a round of applause! Oh my goodness, who is ready to get some prizes? This is, oh my goodness, and the
Okay, so after making this beautiful painting, I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday here, ice cream, and it's the end of the day. I have to rush, otherwise I would have stayed more. It was a fun day. I tried so many new things, and painting, getting plushies, getting t-shirt, playing games. We even played Mario. Paint and sip was the best feeling ever. DJ, dance floor, a lot of food, 4 food items and a dessert. Best day ever. Thank you.